Introducing Task Management and Workflow Module. TWM is a system developed for 9grids incorporated to automate task scheduling and management of employees' tasks. The module is composed of 3 key main features, namely, task management in calendar view, workflow, and link management. To access the task management and workflow module, simply log on to workflow.bluegreenaf.com. You will be presented by the login form where you can enter your username and password. In case you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Password link and type in your email address on the field. When successful, your new password will be sent to your email address. Back to the login page, type in your username and password and click Sign In. When successful, you will automatically be redirected to your dashboard. Otherwise, an error message will be displayed indicating failed login attempt. On the top bar menu, you will have quick access to link for list of notifications and task alerts. On your first sign-in, it would be better to update your credentials to secure your account. Click on your name at the upper right corner of the website and click Credentials. If you do not wish to update your username, leave the values as it is. Tick Change Password if you want to update your password and type in your new password. Afterwards, you will automatically be signed out to try your new credentials. After signing in, your default homepage would be the system dashboard. This will display all your active tasks including the calendar date it was active. Let's move forward to the system configuration. The first submenu we have is the company profile. From this page, we can update the company name, company address and company phone that can later on be used for other transactions and reports. Next we have the email configuration submenu. From here, we can update the email SMTP settings used for sending email notifications. Just update the values in the SMTP host, port, email address and password fields and hit submit to apply the changes. Now, let's proceed to the task or process submenu. From this page, we can add new process by filling in the details for the process title, process description, frequency which can be any of the options as shown on the drop-down, item color in the calendar, and start date that the task will initially be displayed on the calendar. Hit submit when done. To save some space, forms can be hidden by clicking the minus button on the top right of the form panel. All sub-processes are populated on the table below the form. Process and sub-process description can be viewed by clicking on information icon. Details can be updated by clicking on pencil icon. If the item has to be deleted, simply click on the X icon beside the process or sub-process title. To update the calendar color, select your desired color on the color picker and hit Save button just right beside the color picker. Tables can be reloaded by clicking on Reload button upper right of the table panel. If you have to search some record on the table using keywords, just type in the keyword in the search field to filter the results. Let's go to the department or division setup. In this page we can add new department by entering department code and department name on the form. Hit submit when done. All added departments can be managed on the table below. Just click on the Update button to update the department details and Delete button to delete the department. The last submenu we have under System Configuration would be Other Configuration. In this page, we can enable and disable email and telegram notifications. When ticked, notification is enabled. Users of the system can be added and managed under User Management menu. On the Users tab, we can add additional users of the system. Just fill in the details on all required fields including account credentials and hit submit. Hit clear button to clear the form. All users can be managed on the table below the form. From there we can update a line item by clicking on pencil icon, and delete an item by clicking X icon. Now let's define the access rights of each user to the system features. Just click on Access Control submenu and select a user from the drop-down. When selected, access rights will be populated on the table below. Specify whether a user will be given read or write access to each feature. When read is set, buttons on the page to add, update, or delete will not be available to the user. On the Process Assignment menu, we can assign processors to the sub-process of each process. First, we have to select the main process. When one is selected, sub-processes will be populated below. Click on I icon to view the further details of the item. Hit on plus button to add a new processor that will be assigned to the sub-process. Select the processor and the level, then click the Submit button to save the changes. Processor can be deleted by clicking the X button beside their name. You may use the search field to filter the table data. Let's move on to the main key feature of the system module. Task management is where an executive or manager can track and manage the tasks of their employees. From this page, a user can add tasks on the calendar. Simply select the task, then select the date you want the task to appear in the calendar. When saved, the calendar will reload and display the newly added task on the calendar. To start the task, simply click the item from the calendar and hit the Start the Task button. This will only be visible on your page only if you are the assigned user to perform this task. Later on you may click the Complete the Task button to complete the task. Tasks that are manually added can also be deleted by clicking on Delete Task button. After saving, the task will be removed from the calendar. Each item is represented by a symbol to indicate if the task is not yet started, currently in progress, or completed. Let's move forward to My Tasks. My Tasks submenu is the key process or transaction that all users will be working on from time to time. This is the default menu for all users. This will display all the tasks and reminders in calendar view. As of now, we currently have 3 active tasks on the account. To add a task to the calendar, simply select a process from the drop-down and select the calendar date it has to be done. Click Add Task when done. When successfully added, the task will automatically be added to the list of active tasks on the notification bar on top. The system dashboard will automatically be updated as well. As you can see, the task has been added on the list. Going back, we can view the workflow of the task by clicking on the item on the calendar. Click on Start the Task button to start the task. When started, we can complete the task anytime. Start time and completion time are automatically tagged on the system. A notification will be sent to the next doer's Telegram and email address informing him or her of an active task they can start. A system notification will also be sent to the user that can be viewed on the notification panel on top. Let's go ahead and complete all tasks. When the all tasks in the process has been tagged completed, the icon for the task will be changed to a check icon and will never show a pulsate since it's already done. The task will be removed from the list of active tasks on the top bar in the system dashboard. Let's try to delete a task from the calendar. Let's first add a task to the calendar and set the calendar date to say tomorrow. Click on the item to view the workflow and click on Delete Task. Only tasks added manually can be deleted. Auto-generated tasks cannot be deleted from the calendar. Once deleted, the calendar will automatically update itself. To add a reminder, simply type in the reminder title, reminder notes, and its calendar date. Hit on Add Reminder to complete the process. The reminder will be added to the calendar, which can be updated or deleted later on. To update a reminder, click on the reminder item and hit on the content under reminder title or reminder note. Update the details and click on Update Reminder to save the changes. As you can see, the reminder has been updated on the calendar. If you want to delete the reminder, simply click on Delete Reminder from the dialog. All active tasks has its assigned icon to determine if the task has not been started, is ongoing, or has been completed. When a task is assigned to you, you may click on the task item to view the workflow. Start and complete the task assigned to you. When completed, the next doer will be notified on his task via Telegram or email. Next we have the Link Management menu. This is where a user can add links and available for viewing of other users. Simply add the link title, link description, and the actual link. Hit Submit when done. Links can be managed on the table below the form. Click the pencil icon to update the link details. Click Submit when saving changes. Click the X icon to delete a link. When link is clicked, user will be redirected to the page of the link on another tab of the web browser. To sign out from the system, click on your name at the upper right and click on Sign Out button.